To use a Lyft Pass, start by opening the Lyft app on your smartphone and tapping on the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select the Ride Pass option to view available passes. Lyft Pass is a subscription-based service that offers discounted rates on rides for a fixed period, usually a week or a month. There are different types of passes, including the Personal Pass and the Commuter Pass, each with its own set of benefits and pricing. To purchase a pass, select the type of pass you want and choose the duration of your subscription. Review the terms and conditions, including the cost, and confirm your purchase. Your pass will be activated immediately, and you can start using it for your rides. When you request a ride with an active pass, the discounted rate will be applied automatically. You can track your pass usage and see how many rides you have left in the Ride Pass section of the menu. To get the most out of your Lyft Pass, plan your rides in advance and use the pass for your regular commutes or frequent trips. You can also use the pass to try out different ride types, such as Lyft Premier or Lyft Lux, at a discounted rate. It is essential to note that Lyft Pass is only available in select cities, and the pricing and terms may vary depending on your location. Make sure to check the Lyft app for availability and details in your area. By following these steps and understanding how Lyft Pass works, you can save money on your rides and enjoy a more convenient and affordable transportation experience.